Hello children, good morning. Hope you all are enjoying your math classes. So today we are going to learn our new topic, that is multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. So here we are going to learn multiplication of decimal by new method. Okay, let's start. So first we will take one example. Multiply 1.7 by 1.2. So here if we will see, we are getting decimal point here also and here also. Okay, so let's solve. First we will take this number, that is 1.7, and we will convert it into mixed fraction. So how we will write? We will write 7 by 10 means after decimal number, if it is in 10th place, how we will write? We will write 7 by 10. Okay, now we will solve. How to solve? So that 10 into 1 plus 7 divided by 10. How to write? Like this we will write 10 plus 7 divided by 10 and we will get 17 by 10. Okay, same way we will solve this one also. 1.2 is equal to 1, 2 by 10. Why 2 by 10? Because this 2 is after the decimal point, that is our 10th place. So we will write 2 by 10. Again 10 plus 2 divided by 10, we will get 12 by 10. So therefore we will write 1.7 into 1.2. Now we will write in this form 17 by 10 into 12 by 10. So we will do the multiplication, numerator with a numerator, denominator with a denominator. So 17 into 12, 204, 10 into 10, 100. Okay, now how to put decimal point. So already I have taught you that how to put decimal number. Now first you check in this, that 1.7. So here we are getting our decimal before one place. Here we are getting, okay. So right to left, and here we will see, here also before one place we are getting. So here 1 and here 1, we will do the sum of these two places, we will get 2. So we will write like this, where we will put our decimal 204 if we will get. So how to put decimal? Before 2 place. So this is your first, this one is your second place. We will put decimal here. Okay. So the product 2.04 has 2 decimal places, which is how we got? We will write like this, which is the sum of the number of decimal places in 1.7 and 1.2. How we will write? That the product 2.04 has 2 decimal places. This one, which is the sum of the number of decimal places in 1.7 and 1.2. So after solving, you can put decimal this way. Okay. Clear for you all? We will take again one example. So here is our next example, that is 99.01 into 2.03. Okay. So same way we will do. First we will convert it into a mixed fraction, 99. So we will write 99 as a whole number, and after decimal 0, 1. It means 2 places. Means we will take 100. Is equal to, again we will do plus 1 divided by 100. So we will get 9901 divided by 100. Same, we will write 2.3 is equal to 2, 3 by 10. Again 20 plus 3 divided by 10, or we will get 23 by 10. Okay, same, therefore we will write 99.01 into 2.3 is equal to 9901 by 100. This form first we will write, then we will write this one into 23 by 10. Same way, numerator will multiply with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So the answer we will get 22773 after multiplying, and down we will get 1000. Okay. Again, how to put decimal we will see here. This one. Here we are getting 2 places, then decimal, and here we are getting 1. So here 2 place and here it is 1. We will do sum and we will get 3 here. Okay. So we will count 2, 2, 7, 7, 2, 3. So how we will put? This is first place, this is second place, and this one is a third place. We will put decimal here. Okay. So first place, second place, and third place. Okay. So where we will put decimal? Here. So our answer is 227.723. Okay. So again we will write here the product 227.723 has how many decimal? 3 decimal places. Which is the sum of the number of decimal places of decimal places in 99.01 and into 2.3. Okay, got it? How to solve? First, you take first number, then convert it into a mixed fraction, then solve it in fraction, then take again next number, convert into a mixed fraction, solve it in a fractional part, then do the multiplication. In which form? In this form, in fractional form. Then you will get one answer. Then last, in answer you have to put decimal, then calculate the decimal places in questions, means in questions whatever it is there, calculate, then put in answer. Now we will take one word problem. So in third example we will take one word problem. So your questions is that length of a sari is 5.75 meter. This is the length of a sari, that is 5.75 meter. Find the length of 15 such sari. Find the length of a 15 such sari. So what is your question, children? That one sari length is 5.75 meter. If you will take one sari, the length of that sari is 5.75 meter. So like that 15 sari you have to take and you have to measure the length of a 15 such saris. Okay. So we'll write, first we will see the length of a sari, means single sari, that is 5.75 meter. So if we will get 15 saris, what will be the length? So how we will write? We will write like this, 5.75 into 15. Then we will do multiplication, that 5.75 into 1, 15. 5 5s are 25. Here 2. 7 5s are 35 plus 2, 37. 3 here. 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28. Now 5, 7 1s are 7, 5 1s are 5. So now we will do sum. 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry here, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16, 1 carry, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. Now again, where to put decimal number? We will see in question. So here if we will see, so here we are getting 2 places of decimal. So, and in this no decimal, so we will take this one. So before 2 number we will put here decimal. So your answer is 86.25. We will write here that 86.25 meter. Okay. If we will see the length of a 15 such sari, what we got? 86.25 meter. Okay children. Hope everything is clear for you all. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can call me or you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.